Do you know that hormonal imbalances can affect your libido just like stress and lack of sleep? Studies show that over 50% of people experiencing low sex drive have an underlying hormonal issue. When we talk about hormonal imbalances, we often think with women issues like polycystic ovary syndrome or thyroid problems. But the truth is, hormonal imbalances can affect anyone, regardless of gender or age. And one of the most common symptoms of hormonal imbalance is low libido. Low libido is not just about not feeling like having sex. It can be a symptom of a deeper issue that can affect your relationships, self-esteem, and overall well-being. And yet, despite its prevalence, hormonal imbalance remains one of the most common causes of low libido. So it's time for us to shed some light on this critical issue and explore how hormonal imbalances can secretly kill your libido. Do you feel like you've lost your spark? Are you too tired or stressed to care about intimacy? Do you feel like you're just going through the motions? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world are struggling with low libido, and hormonal imbalances are often the culprit. Fatigue, anxiety, depression, and insomnia are all common signs of hormonal imbalance that can negatively impact your libido. And if you're not addressing the underlying hormonal issue, no amount of self-help books or relationship counseling will help you get what you back. You see, when your hormones are out of balance, your body's priority is survival, not pleasure at all. And when you're constantly stressed, anxious, fatigued, body's response is to shut down non-essential functions, including your sex drive. Hormonal imbalances can affect your libido in many ways. For example, low testosterone levels can lead to decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, and even depression. High cortisol levels can make you feel anxious and stressed, making it difficult to relax and enjoy intimacy. Low estrogen levels can lead to vaginal dryness, pain during sex, and a lack of interest in sex at all. And thyroid imbalances can cause fatigue, mood swings, and weight changes, all of which can kill your libido. In fact, studies have shown that women with polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS are more than 3 times more likely to experience low libido due to hormonal imbalances. And for men with hypogonadism or low progesterone are more than twice as likely to experience erectile dysfunction and low libido. Thyroid problems, another common hormonal imbalance, can cause fatigue, weight changes, and mood swings, all of which can impact your libido. And let's not forget adrenal fatigue, which can cause prolonged periods of stress and exhaustion, leading to low libido. The list goes on and on. The point is, hormonal imbalances are a common underlying cause of low libido, and if you're not addressing them, you will never get to the root of the problem. Let's dive deeper into the world of hormones and explore how they impact our libido. Testosterone is often referred to as the sex hormone because it plays a critical role in our libido or sexual function. In men, testosterone levels typically peak in the early 20s and gradually decline with age. This decline can lead to decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, and even depression. In women, testosterone plays a crucial role in sexual desire and arousal. Estrogen, on the other hand, plays a critical role in vaginal health and arousal. Low estrogen levels can lead to vaginal dryness, pain during sex, and a lack of interest in sex. Cortisol, often referred to as stress hormone, can have a a significant impact on libido. When cortisol levels are high, our body's response to shut down non-essential functions, including our sex drive. Thyroid hormones, which we discussed earlier, can also impact our libido. Hypothyroidism or underactive thyroid, both fatigue, weight changes, and mood swings, all of which can kill our libido. But here's the thing, guys. Hormonal imbalances doesn't just affect our libido. It can also have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. In fact, studies show that hormonal imbalances can increase our risk of chronic diseases, diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. So, what's the connection between hormonal imbalance and low libido? One of the most critical insights I've come across is the role of cortisol in suppressing sex drive. See, we are under chronic stress, our body's response is to produce more cortisol. And when cortisol levels are high, our body's priority is survival, not pleasure. That means that our sex drive takes a backseat. The more pressing is like staying alive. In fact, a study found that women with high cortisol levels are more than twice as likely to experience low libido. And another study found that men with high cortisol levels are more than 3 times more likely to experience erectile dysfunction. The good news is that there is hope. By addressing the underlying hormonal imbalance, you will be able to restore your libido and get your spark back. One of my clients, Sarah, who was struggling with low libido due to hormonal imbalance, she was tired all the time. She had zero interest in sex and felt like she was going through the motions. But after working with me to balance her hormones, she was able to regain her sex and reconnect with her partner. Stories like that of Sarah reminds us that hormonal imbalances are not a life sentence at all. By taking control of our hormonal health, we can restore our libido and be able to live a more fulfilling life. Summary, hormonal imbalances can secretly kill your libido, leading to decreased interest in sex, fatigue, and even depression. By understanding the connection between hormonal imbalance and libido, you can take control of your hormonal health and restore your sex drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your experiences in the comments below. Have you struggled with low libido due to hormonal imbalance? Let me know in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about hormonal health, be sure to check out the videos on this channel.